While flying over one of the most remote places on Earth, a 737 disappears. On June 6, 1992, Copa Airlines Flight 201, a Boeing 737, was a scheduled passenger flight with 47 people on board, was bound for Cali, Colombia. But shortly after takeoff, the 737 goes into a catastrophic nosedive which causes it to break apart. All 47 people on board were killed. This is the worst accident involving a Panamanian airliner. Cause: in-flight breakup caused by extreme nosedive and instrument failure and pilot error, spatial disorientation, and loss of control.